The role of wildfires in nature. Here's something interesting: not all fires are bad. In fact, some fires are good for nature. They clear out dead plants, add nutrients to the soil, and even help certain trees, like giant sequoias, grow. Without fire, many forests would get overcrowded, and plants would struggle to grow. That's why forest experts sometimes set controlled fires to keep the environment healthy and to prevent bigger, more dangerous fires. How wildfires affect people. When wildfires get out of control, they can be devastating. They destroy homes, force people to leave their communities, and even take lives. Take the Camp Fire in 2018, one of the deadliest wildfires in California. It destroyed the town of Paradise, leaving thousands of people without homes. Stories like these show how powerful and dangerous wildfires can be. But even in the middle of tragedy, people show amazing strength. Communities come together to rebuild, help each other, and find hope again. These moments remind us of the kindness and resilience in people. Nature's comeback, how forests recover. Here's something amazing: after a wildfire, nature starts to heal almost right away. Green plants begin to grow, animals return, and over time, the forest comes back to life. For example, sequoia trees, which are some of the largest trees in the world, need fire to grow. The heat opens their cones, allowing seeds to fall onto the ground and grow into new trees. It's proof that even after destruction, there's always a chance for renewal. What we can learn from wildfires. The way nature recovers from wildfires teaches us a big lesson. Life is full of challenges, but those challenges can make us stronger. Think about a tough time in your life. Maybe you lost something important, faced a setback, or felt like giving up. Like the forest after a fire, you can recover, grow, and become even stronger. Just like forests need time to regrow, we need time to heal from our struggles. But with patience, support, and determination, we can come back even better than before. How to prepare for wildfires. Wildfires also remind us of the importance of being prepared. Here are a few simple tips to stay safe. Clear out dry plants and debris around your home. Pack an emergency kit with water, food, and important papers. Have an evacuation plan ready in case you need to leave quickly. Stay informed by signing up for local alerts and keeping an eye on weather reports. When we're prepared, we can face challenges more confidently. This doesn't just apply to wildfires, it's a good rule for life in general. Closing thoughts. Finding hope in hard times. California's wildfires show us that even in the hardest times, there's always hope. The forest regrows, families rebuild, and life goes on. When you face challenges, remember this: every setback is a chance to grow stronger. Like the trees that rise from the ashes, you can come back too. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Inspire to Achieve. Together, we can learn, grow, and keep moving forward.